Shake.
Okay. Anong ita-try natin dito?
This one.
Dirty matcha latte.
Yes.
Okay? Sure ka ha? First time namin mag-try ng dirty matcha latte.
First time
This is
Nato.
my first time to try matcha. The last time na nag-try ako,
Nag-try ako is when we drank na.
hindi masarap. Try natin yun. Okay? Okay, baby.
As,
Ito, I think. Here, the chata matcha. Come here. You try it. Try it na. Try it. Bibili ko pa si Lucas ng ice cream. One. I like. Really?
ano, di kasi pwede ko nalo. Ano, copy lang natin. Pwede ko nalo.
Ako nga. Okay siya. Better. Iniwan niyo ako. Ano nasa? May nakita kayo?
Ano, Waldi? No, what are you doing? You drink too much matcha.
Why?
You drink too much. Drinking matcha. Oh.
Uy, tenga dyan. Uy, you want what? Bourbon choco or sweet miss?
Sweet miss.
Sweet miss. Is it sweet?
Sweet miss.
What flavor?